Hello, and welcome to today's webinar. I'm Bill Rorman, the training coordinator for the Center for Information Technology Excellence. Today, we will be reviewing Duo App. During the presentation, I will provide you with a key few features of Duo App and conduct a demonstration on adding an additional device to your Duo App. So, let's get started. Duo is an easy-to-use two-factor authentication solution which protects you and our university data. It's required to access VPN, email, Banner, and Famous. Ensure you have downloaded the Duo mobile app to your device prior to going through the steps to add an additional device, reactivate a device, or change a device name. Common devices include mobile phone, landline, and tablet. Visit duo.pvamu.edu to add or update your Duo devices. So, let's conduct a small demonstration in adding an additional device to our Duo app. So we log into duo.pvamu.edu, and the system recognizes that I'm in already. So it'll just verify and ask me to click on Office 365. Had I not been logged in previously, it would prompt me for my PVAMU credentials, my username, and my password. Once we select that, we want to identify while we're logging in. In this scenario, we want to add a new device. So we click on Add a New Device, and the system wants to confirm that this is really us. So it's going to ask for an authentication. I will utilize the passcode authentication. Click on Text New Codes. Once I've received the code, I will simply input it and click on Login. Once I've done so, it will ask me what type of device I'm adding. In this scenario, I will be adding a mobile phone. So that's already depressed. I simply click on Continue. It will now ask me to enter the phone number for the device that I'm adding. So we enter it. It'll populate and read it, and it'll ask you to confirm that it's correct. You can do so by clicking the little box and depressing the Continue key. It will then ask what type of phone we're adding. This phone that we're adding today is an iPhone. So we depress iPhone and click Continue. The Duo app now wants to verify that your Duo app has been installed on your device. In this case, we've already previously done that because, again, you want to do that before you take these steps. So at this pop-up window, you would simply click on I have Duo Mobile installed. Once you click that, you will then get a QR code that appears on your screen. When that QR code appears, we'll ask you to do 3 things to be able to capture that image. So you will take the following steps. We'll open the Duo mobile app on your phone. You will tap on the plus sign. That will open up a window. Looks like a camera window so that it can capture the image of the QR code. You face that towards the QR code so that it can scan it. Once it's scanned it and receives it, it will then give you a preview just like slide 2 here. You'll have a green check mark right over the QR code to denote that it's captured the image. Simply would click on Continue. Once you've clicked on Continue, the next screen that pops up will show you that your device, in our scenario was 0429, that our device has just been added. So it's an additional device we have. Once we verified it and it's correct, we simply click on Continue to log in. For all future logins, when you get to the authentication request, on your device block, there'll be a small drop-down arrow on your top right-hand corner. You can click that drop-down arrow, and it will show all the devices available to use for authentication. Notice on this slide here, it's also added the new phone that we just did. Select the authentication device you want to utilize, the authentication method, and log on to access the applications that you're searching for. Remember, two-factor authentication with Duo is required for our systems and applications here at Prairie View A&M University. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed today's presentation and that you found it useful and informative. For any additional support or questions related to Duo mobile app, please feel free to reach out to me for assistance. I truly appreciate the time you spent with me today. Thank you and have a great day.